Today, you've got to eat spicy Korean rice bowl. And here he is, the hottest cook in the world, GT.
Hi Gotta Eaters, today we're cooking something that's healthy, delicious and maximum easy. Get ready for spicy Korean rice bowl. Oh yeah! After a hard day at work, you need something that's healthy and delicious but oh so easy. Match this dish with some spicy kimchi and a traditional Korean spinach side dish which I can't pronounce in Korean, and you've got yourself comfort food that will give you a spicy lift. Let's rock!
And here are the ingredients you need. Cook some rice according to the instructions on the packet. Chop and slice the vegetables. For the sauce, to a small bowl, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, chili powder and sesame oil. Wilt the spinach in a small pot of boiling water. In a strainer, squeeze the excess water from the spinach. Add the drained spinach to a small bowl. Add garlic and ginger. Also, sesame oil. Soy sauce, spring onions, and stir it together. Add oil to a medium to large fry pan or skillet on high heat. Saute the remaining ginger and garlic with the shallots until they are translucent before adding the minced beef. Stir the beef to ensure it's cooked evenly. Stir the beef until most of the moisture has been cooked off before adding the sauce mixture. If hot and fiery is your thing, add the Korean hot sauce now. After cooking the beef for 4 to 5 minutes, add the julienne carrots and cook them for about a minute until they're softened. We're done. Let's serve her up. Serve the minced beef on a bed of rice. Sprinkle with spring onions and sesame seeds and add cucumber to the side of the plate. Sprinkle the spinach with sesame seeds and present with the kimchi. Yum!
It's the moment of truth. Oh yeah, spicy and nice. GT says thumbs up. Help out Australian, a new YouTuber, give me a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao.